Follow the steps on how to make editable cutout text like this in Adobe Illustrator. First, I will insert an image from the folder as a background. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. Now prepare the text. Here I use the Montserrat font. Prepare the Appearance panel. Click Add New Fill, then click and drag below the character. Change it to white. Click FX. Path, Offset Path. Adjust the offset number. FX again, stylize, then select Drop Shadow. I set it like this. FX again, distort and transform, then select Roughen. You can set it like this. Double-click and select all text to change another color. This text can also still be edited. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.